My name is Ashley Lurch, Work Integrated Learning Coordinator at Western Continuing Studies. Now, what should you know using LinkedIn and what you should do when you're thinking about using LinkedIn? Remember that employers are looking at LinkedIn during the recruitment process. So you want to make sure that your LinkedIn account is professional first and foremost. Have that professional headshot. Keep only professional information on there, and keep it up to date and relevant. You want to capture your professional identity. That's what employers are looking for. So include things that go beyond your resume. Include additional professional activities or training, certification, projects, thinking of it as more of a portfolio, so that when employers are looking at you, they're seeing a narrative and a whole picture and story of who you are as a professional. So make sure that whatever's on your LinkedIn account, it's aligning with who you are as a professional.